Welcome, X4ST viewers. Today, allow me, George Eastwood, an AI technology developed by the X4ST institution, to explain our institution's vision and mission, the various programs and services we offer, as well as important announcements we need to convey to you. Without further ado, let me begin this introductory video. X4ST, which stands for Explore for the Science Treasures, is an educational institution that provides access to a variety of science learning materials and motivational content for free. Based in Medan, North Sumatra, X4ST aims to be a place for various academic circles, including students, educators, education consultants, researchers, and professionals in the field of education, to sharpen and develop their knowledge and skills with the goal of advancing their nation and the world. Officially operating for the first time on November 24, 2022, under the name ICSSC, Indonesia's Computer and Science Study Club, and transforming into X4ST on January 30, 2024, after various institutional restructurings, X4ST has strengthened its commitment to reaching a broader science community and inviting academic practitioners worldwide to collaborate in building a stronger science community and bringing about more tangible changes to the world. Our commitment is clearly outlined in X4ST's vision and mission that we have crafted. Here is the vision of the X4ST institution. Our vision is to empower individuals through accessible and innovative education, fostering a lifelong love for learning and nurturing future leaders who are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and values to thrive in a dynamic and interconnected world. We aspire to be a beacon of excellence in education, inspiring creativity, critical thinking, and compassion, and making a positive impact on society and the global community. Here is our mission. 1. To provide accessible education to individuals from all backgrounds, removing barriers to learning and ensuring everyone has the opportunity to pursue their educational goals. 2. To promote lifelong learning by offering a diverse range of educational programs and resources that cater to the needs and interests of learners at every stage of life. 3. To foster and nurture future leaders who possess the knowledge, skills, and values to make a positive impact in their communities and beyond. 4. To embrace innovation and excellence in education by continuously striving for improvement, embracing new technologies and methodologies, and maintaining the highest standards of quality and integrity in everything we do. 5. To cultivate a supportive learning environment where students feel valued, respected, and empowered to reach their full potential. 6. To instill in our members and students a sense of social responsibility and global citizenship, encouraging them to become agents of positive change in their communities and the world. At X4ST, we always adhere to our commitment to maintain the standards of our educational services and various programs, ensuring equality for every member and individual in accessing educational resources and materials, promoting lifelong learning through high-quality educational content, encouraging the application of innovation, creativity, technology, and the latest methodologies, developing social responsibility, collaborating and actively participating in various partnerships that can support the development of the international science community, and ensuring transparency and accountability in the execution of all our activities. Referring to the previously explained vision and mission, the Curriculum Development Committee at X4ST continues to move forward in providing various types of programs and educational resources for free. As of May 18, 2024, when this video was made, X4ST has released several programs for our viewers to enjoy, accessible through our YouTube channels at science_with_X4ST and at X4StWorld Storyteller, our Instagram account at science_with_X4ST, our Wattpad account at Ubikitunox, and our website https://sciencewithx4st.uno.com. Here, I will explain our programs one by one. 1. Programs on the YouTube channel at science_with_X4ST. On our first YouTube channel, we provide various educational and motivational content that can be enjoyed by different audiences. These programs include A. Professor Belfrost's Classes. This is a tutorial program organized by the X4ST committee, consisting of two sub-programs. Professor Belfrost's Science Class, which offers tutorials for science subjects currently covering mathematics, physics, and chemistry, and Professor Belfrost's Computer Science and Robotics class, which offers tutorials related to in-depth concepts of computer science, programming mainly in C, C++, Java, and Python, and web development front-end and back-end. This program is targeted at students. B. Professor Belfrost's Spontaneous Vlog. Are you challenged to solve various riddles that test your logical reasoning? Don't worry, we have a program that suits your needs. Here, we present various cases, problems for you to solve, which require good analysis and logical reasoning. This program is aimed at all audiences, especially students and educational practitioners. C. The game of X-Dome. Set against the story of a group of researchers trapped inside an abandoned research building called X-Dome, this program challenges you to use basic math skills and logical reasoning to solve puzzles and riddles in each room and maze. Can you help drive Gray and his team of researchers escape safely? This program is primarily aimed at students and educational practitioners. D. Amuse You, Amaze Me. We also have another exciting and challenging program that tests your logical abilities to solve word riddles. The story follows a young man exploring the outskirts of the city who stumbles upon a Greek-style temple. His curiosity leads him inside, where he must participate in various games and face powerful creatures and gods guarding the temple's treasures. Will he escape safely? This program is suitable for all audiences. E. The Laughter Science Laboratory. Who says science can't be entertaining? And who says science can only be learned in a classroom? With this program, you'll be delighted by many humorous science-related stories that make your journey of exploring science enjoyable. Yes, this program is entirely free and can be enjoyed by everyone. F. X4ST Official Motivation and Inspiration Specials. Humans need balance in their lives, work, study, and mental well-being. Often, we feel stressed, hopeless, lost, or unsure how to recover from failure as we go through different phases of life. Through this program, we invite viewers to reflect on things that can strengthen us in facing adversity, appreciate the good things in life, and build more positive relationships day by day. This program is suitable for all audiences. G. X4ST 30 Seconds Awaken Your Greatness. Great figures have left behind stories of struggle and triumph, overcoming difficulties one by one and achieving greatness. Therefore, they can serve as role models for us to become better individuals. Through this program, we invite viewers to reflect on quotes from these remarkable people and rediscover the meaning of life within themselves. Although this program has been discontinued after several reviews, you can still enjoy the episodes we released on our YouTube channel. This program is suitable for all audiences. 2. Programs on the YouTube channel at X4ST Storyteller. Our second YouTube channel was launched to share various educational stories and, in the future, might also serve as a platform for language tutorials. Currently, we have one main program running on this channel, which is as follows. A. The Nova Starlit Tales Project, The Stellar Twin Voyagers. Have you ever dreamed of reaching the distant world up among the stars? Or have you ever dreamed of becoming an astronaut? Are you fascinated by the wonders of the night sky? This program is perfect for you. Through the story of a pair of shepherd siblings striving to reach their bright dreams in the night sky, you will enjoy inspirational stories and also gain knowledge about the incredible things up there. This program is suitable for all audiences, especially those interested in astronomy. 3. Programs on our Instagram account at science_with_X4ST. Besides serving as a platform to convey important information about our institution, there are also several interesting programs you can enjoy on our Instagram account. Here are the details. A. X4ST Docs. Nature holds many secrets that often leave us in awe, as well as many amazing things in this world and outer space that we have never known before. These questions might have crossed our minds, but our busy routines have buried them. Therefore, through this program, we invite you to explore various fascinating things you may have never known before. This program is suitable for all audiences. B. Let's reflect together. In life, we always face ups and downs, and we often experience mental crises and a lack of self-confidence, feeling depressed, isolated, unloved, abandoned, hopeless, lost, and heartbroken. However, whatever storm we go through, there is actually wisdom behind it all. We just often don't realize it. Therefore, through this program, we invite viewers to reflect on what we experience and find the meaning behind it, so we can grow into stronger individuals. This program can be enjoyed by everyone without exception. 4. Programs on our Wattpad account at Ubikitunox. A. NEXUS. Inception. We aim to make science more enjoyable through storytelling. Set in the world of a genius high school student named Dresden, who lived a boring school life until he was sucked into a virtual world after accidentally activating a mysterious gear. In this new world, he becomes a warrior who must fight to survive. Will he make it to the end? Will he uncover the mastermind behind the events he and his friends experience? Let's explore this thrilling sci-fi novel together, starting with our first novel in a series of 7 novels across 3 volumes. This program is intended for teenagers under parental guidance and adults. 5. Programs on our website https://sciencewithx4st.uno.com. Did you know we have an official website? If not, why not check it out now? On our website, you can find various important information and announcements, and most importantly, free learning materials. Here's an overview. A. X4ST Encyclopedia. Have you ever wondered about the wonders of our Earth and the universe? Have you wanted to know more but lacked the time? Don't worry, we have the answer. With the information we've compiled in our exploration maps, you can explore the wonders of the world and the universe at your fingertips. This program is for all science enthusiasts. B. X4ST Gallery. Our offerings don't stop at the encyclopedia. We also have something else interesting for you. Enjoy fascinating images related to the world and the universe. Explore and discover the wonders of the world with us. This program is suitable for all audiences. C. X4ST Free Open Learning Resources. Have you ever struggled to find comprehensive science learning materials? Or do you simply want to read science articles to dive into the amazing world of science? We have a program just for you. Here, you can access various learning materials and scientific articles for free. This program is primarily aimed at students. And there's one important thing I haven't told you yet. Did you know that we greatly appreciate and welcome your visit to our community, whether or not you intend to join our membership? Therefore, we have prepared a special gift for you, a postcard that you can customize and download. Please visit our website, click on the main menu, Services, then select the sub-menu, X4ST Gifts, to access our free postcard creation service. Additionally, we continuously invite those who are interested in contributing to the science community to take the first step by enrolling in our membership. Don't worry, you will learn many things and gradually begin to make a real contribution through service to the community and the world. If you want to learn more, please visit our website and access the Institution menu, then the Community sub-menu. Finally, I, George Eastwood, on behalf of X4ST, thank you for your visit. We hope that the various programs we offer can support your personal development, both academically, skill-wise, spiritually, and relationally. If you would like to provide feedback, please contact us at science.x4st@gmail.com. That's all for this video, thank you, and see you again next time.